So this will be a short instructional video on how to hook up a car amplifier inside your house. Step 1 is to get a PCU Power Supply, which is this box sitting right here. You can get one off eBay for around $20 with free shipping, so it's not terribly expensive. There's a power cable coming out the back here, and that's just plugged down here into a surge protector. On the other side of your PCU Power Supply, there's a bunch of cables. These guys. You want to find the 20 pin outlet here and put a paperclip in the side in the terminal with the green wire and then the black wire to its left. So you can see there's only one green wire on there and the black wire to its left. I've actually electric taped a paperclip over it. I can take electric tape off here a little bit so you can see what it looks like. But it just goes straight down in there. I'll see if I can post a picture on my on the info too, so you guys can look at it more closely with better detail. So that's the first step. The point in doing that is to trick your PCU power supply into thinking it's inside a computer. So without doing that, your PCU power supply will not turn on. The next step is to find the plug that looks like this. It's a 4-molar plug. I'll also try to post a picture of this on there for you guys too, so you can see what it looks like since the video quality is so poor. So this is a 4-pin mole. You're going to want to snip the wires in the back. Just snip them all off and you don't need that plug anymore. You just need to strip the yellow wire all the way on the right and the black wire adjacent to it. The yellow wire is going to go straight into the 12-volt of your amplifier. That's going to be your power wire. And the black wire next to it, directly adjacent to that yellow wire, is going to be your ground wire. That goes into your negative terminal on your amplifier, your ground terminal. The other 2 wires, the red wire, just electric tape around the top. You won't need it and you don't want it to short circuit or anything. The black wire, snip about 2 inches off of it and then electric tape it up as well. On that 2 inches that you just cut off, strip both sides and you're going to run it from the remote terminal in your amplifier to the power terminal right adjacent to it. This way, when the power comes down the yellow wire, it goes in here. Power goes to the black wire and runs into your remote terminal. So after that, you come over RCA cables. You need RCA cables to run your signal. So I have them in the low input on my amplifier, and then I have them coming out of my system over here. So I have the system over here hooked up playing highs, and my amplifier here playing lows. So I have it only on low frequency. I have a 3.5 millimeter cable here running into my computer from my system, so I can send signal from my computer to my system, and then it sends from the system using the RCA cables into your amplifier. So I can play a little bit, let you guys know what it sounds like. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on the video. I can help you guys with frequencies and whatnot too if you need help, or if you need help finding what kind of speakers to buy or an amplifier that works well in the house. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the PCU here with a switch. Got a fan running. You hear the speakers turn on there. I'm going to play 612s by Webby. And I have the gain all the way down my amplifier now, and it actually still comes out with some sound. So I'm going to turn it up. I have it maybe a 1/7 or an 1/8 of the way up right now. Frequency around 100 Hertz. Sound quality is fantastic. I'm to turn my system up a little bit here. Playing the highs. You got to find the good match for them. So turn it up even a little louder. You could really hear it throughout the entire house. I have a bass boosted song by 36 Mouthfeel here as well. Play this one for you guys, see what it sounds like with the bass boosted. If you're really into bass, we got Bia Bia by Lil Jon. Alright, so those are just a couple examples of some songs it sounds like. Obviously, the better your system is, the better your highs will sound. My system's actually completely broken, so the music it's playing the quality's not very well. It's not very good. Now the lows coming out of my bass tubes are fantastic, though. It sounds great in my room. It doesn't. I wouldn't say it really vibrates anything in the room unless you turn it up, but it's still fantastic. So if you got any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks, guys.